Darlin Don't by Stephen Fretwell is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 3rd fret. For the intro, we're going to start off with this little chord here. Got open D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, open high E. We're just going to play the bass note on the D string and then strum down, down, down. Play exactly the same again. We're then going to move to this F major 7 chord here. You've got a thumb over the top on the 1st fret, the low E string, 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, high E string open, exactly the same rhythm. We've got bass, low E, and a 2 and a bass, and a 4 and a. So the first chord with the D and the bass, F major 7, and to a straight up C chord. Same rhythm, bass on the A string this time. Same for the 4th bar. Okay, so the whole intro. F, C, C. We then go to the verse part of the song, which is the trickiest part of the song to play. The chords are pretty simple, it's just the right hand technique is pretty difficult to master. So we start off with the C chord. I'm going to play the bass note on the A string at the 3rd fret, and immediately as we pluck that with our thumb, I'm going to flick down with the index finger. I'm going to play open D and do exactly the same thing. 2nd fret on the D, same thing again, and then back to the open D string, same again. So we're then going to add the pinky finger to the 3rd fret of the D string and change here. We're just going to pick the bass. So bass down, and to the open D. So slowly, that first bar, we've got the C chord, bass on the A, flick, open flick, 2nd on the D flick, open D flick, 3rd fret on the D, down up, open D, down. Then we're going to keep this rhythm for the 2nd part of the bar. We have 2nd fret here on the D, down up, back to the C note here on the A, down up, open D, down up, 2nd fret on the A, down up, back to our C note here to start the next bar. Okay, so that's 2nd bar, 2nd fret on the D, 3rd fret on the A, open D, 2nd fret on the A, back to our starting chord C. So the whole thing slowly. And more up to speed. For the 3rd and 4th bar, we're going to sit around this C chord. We're going to play bass, strum, catch a high E open, G open. Strum down up, then we're going to hit the A and D strings, hammer onto the 3rd fret with the pinky on the D, hit the chord again, and then take it off for the next strum. So bass, strum, E, G, down up, hammer on, off chord, then catch E open, G open, and then down, down, down. And the whole part. For the chorus, we're playing A minor 7 chord, into a G chord, F major 7, and C. So we have the A minor 7, bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, F major 7, C, same the 2nd time. 3rd time through, A minor, G, we're going to sit on an F for 3 bars. Back through the verse as normal. Okay, so the whole chorus is normal. Stay on the F. Back through the verse. more Stephen Fretwell guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.